How can I help you? I need a few things. Do you have salted butter, puffed rice, cheese, salt, and bread? Yes, I have. Then give me 200 grams of salted butter. Do you want a local brand butter or Amul butter? You can give me Amul butter. How much potato do you need? I want 2 kg potato. I have sliced cheese and cube cheese. Which one do you want? I want a packet of sliced cheese. And do remember a packet of puffed rice and a loaf of bread. Yes, sure. Here they are. Anything else? Oh yes, I remember. Please give me a half-liter packet of sunflower oil. Which brand do you want? Any brand will do. Here it is. Do you need any more items? No, I'm done. Please give me the bill. It's rupees 380. Can I pay online? Yes, here's the QR code. You can pay here. Done. Please check. I got it. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. What do you require? I want a bottle of cough syrup. For you? Yes, for me. For the last 3 days, I cannot sleep at night because I'm coughing all through the night. My throat is getting affected. You can try Detox cough syrup. You'll get relief. Then please give me that. Here it is. Do you need anything else? I also want a small bottle of Dettol and a medium-sized cotton roll. Here it is. Do you need anything else? No, you can prepare the bill. It's rupees 550. You'll pay by cash or online? I'll give cash. Here is 500 rupees. Do you have 50 rupees? If you have, then I can pay you back rupees 200. Sorry, I don't have. Alright, no issue. Here's your change. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. What do you require? I'm looking for a half-sleeve jacket that can be worn in a slightly cold weather. May I know your size? I think I need the medium size. Just a second. We have a wide variety of collection you can select from. Okay, make sure you bring out warm and bright colors. I don't like dull faded shades. Sure, here they are. All these are made of 100% cotton. They'll keep you comfortably warm. And these bright shades will definitely suit your complexion. Well, let me check. Does this jacket have a pocket? Yes, right here. There are 2 pockets. There is also a zipper here. This color will look gorgeous on you. You should try this. There's the trial room. I think this size will fit you perfectly. Do you have anything in red? I have lots of blues and yellows at home. Yes, sure. There are 3-4 different shades of red here. This shade is the brightest red. You look lovely in this color. How much is this? It's rupees 2000. I think it's too much. Don't you provide any discount? Yes, ma'am. We are giving 10% discount on all purchases this entire month. What if I buy 2? Is there any additional discount for that? No, ma'am. It's 10% only for each purchase. I think I'll take these 2 jackets. One thing, in case I need to exchange, what is the procedure here? Surely you can exchange, but you have to count within 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. And remember to exchange within a month from the date of purchase. Alright, then pack these 2. I'll use a debit card to make my payment. Sure, ma'am. If you found this video informative and useful, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Access Spoken English to watch more such videos on spoken English. See you soon. Bye-bye.